Okay, when you open Blender, the first thing you will see this screen. You will go ahead and cancel it by clicking left click in the screen. Okay, we are going to make a pot, a simple pot that how I know how to make. Okay, so first we will delete everything, like press A and X to delete everything. Delete. Then Shift A, mesh, go to UV sphere, and you will get a nice sphere here. Okay, press 1 to go to the front view. Tab or this menu to go to edit mode. Press Ctrl Shift to go into this X-ray mode and zoom it a little bit. Select the top, and if you want if you want to add one more layer, press Ctrl plus. Select the one more layer, then press S, Z, and 0 to scale the top so that it will make a flat face. My bad. So again, S, Z, and 0 to make the flat face. If you see at the top, you will see a flat face at the top. Okay. Now control minus to go one level down, E to extrude, give some height, zoom a little bit out, and then again E to extrude, a little bit of extrusion, and then S to scale, scale however you want, and then again E, a little bit of extrusion, and then control minus to go one level down, and then press X and delete all vertices. Oh my god, sorry. X and delete all faces. If you see, you'll get a nice pot looking shape. Okay, but wait, this is just a skin model. What if you want to have some thickness? Okay, go to modifiers, add modifiers, search for solidify, press 1, and then select of edit mode, and you will see the solidified is already applied. If you want, you can apply, or else you can play with this value to make your thing go up and down. That's it. You have a nice pot. But what if you want to see the solidification of the part? Again, press 1 to go to front view, tab to go to edit mode, shift Z to go to this X-ray mode, select the first, the left off, press Ctrl plus X and delete all the faces. Go out of this X-ray mode by clicking Ctrl Z, tab to exit edit mode, and if you see, you have a nice little pot with thickness. And if you right click and click shape smooth, you will get a nice little pot, maybe off pot. That's it.